Hey, tech enthusiasts and PC builders! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we've got something special for you, the MSI Pro Z790-A WiFi ProSeries Motherboard. This motherboard is here to power your dreams of building the ultimate high-performance PC. Let's dive into the details. What makes the MSI Pro Z790-A stand out in the world of motherboards? First off, it's designed for the future. This motherboard supports 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, as well as Pentium Gold and Celeron CPUs. That means you're ready for whatever Intel has in store. If you're looking for speed, you're in luck. The MSI Pro Z790-A supports DDR5 memory, clocking in at a whopping 7,200 MHz. That's lightning-fast performance for your system. When it comes to power, this motherboard doesn't mess around. It features an enhanced power design with 16+1+1 digital power phases and 80 ASPS. Plus, it's equipped with dual 8-pin CPU power connectors, Core Boost, and Memory Boost technologies to ensure stability and performance. Keeping your system cool is crucial for peak performance. The MSI Pro Z790-A comes with a premium thermal solution. It features an extended heatsink, MOSFET thermal pads rated for 7W/MK, additional choke thermal pads, and the M.2 Shield Frozer to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. Quality matters, and this motherboard delivers with a 6-layer PCB made from 2 ounces thickened copper. It's built with server-grade level materials, ensuring durability and reliability. If you need wireless connectivity, the Pro Z790-A has you covered with its convenient Wi-Fi solution. Plus, there's a DDR5 memory version for those who want to experience the latest in RAM technology. So, there you have it, the MSI Pro Z790-A WiFi ProSeries Motherboard, a powerhouse for your high-performance PC build. Whether you're a professional looking for productivity or a gamer seeking top-tier performance, the MSI ProSeries has your back. It's designed to meet your needs and deliver an incredible computing experience. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.